Are construction workers, delivery riders, and couriers terrorizing communities through organized stalking? In recent years, there have been alarming reports suggesting that certain groups within our communities, including construction workers, motorcycle delivery riders, and couriers, may be engaging in organized stalking practices that are designed to instill fear and anxiety among the public. This form of harassment goes beyond mere intimidation. It represents a complex web of psychological manipulation that threatens the very fabric of our society. Understanding organized stalking. Organized stalking is not simply a matter of bullying. It comprises systematic efforts to surveil, harass, and control individuals. Victims often report experiences such as audible taunts or threats from bystanders, including phrases like "die" or other vulgarities being whispered or shouted. Indifference from the community, enabling a culture of fear to flourish. Continuous harassment that may involve children, teenagers, and adults from various backgrounds. This disturbing trend is not confined to one demographic. Perpetrators can include anyone from young children to foreigners. For a more in-depth analysis of this issue and possible countermeasures, please check out the blog post. You can find the details in the description box or the pinned comment. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to support our content.